Hi, in this video, I will show you how to migrate WooCommerce reviews ReviewX to ProofWP. So, if your customers already given you with X, then how you can move it to ProofWP. To do that, first we have to log in into our WordPress admin dashboard. Then simply click on here, plugins, and add plugin. And search here for ProofWP and click on install now and activate it. After installing and activating this plugin, you can see a menu like WP and simply click on tools. Here we can see one unmigrated reviews detect from ReviewX. Simply click on migrate now. So our reviews already migrated. And if I go to all reviews, and for an example, this is our reviews from ReviewX, and simply click on here and tag your product and update your. And if I click on here, then it will show in our reviews like this. So this is how we can migrate our all reviews